So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you're new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. So, in today's video, I do have for you the Macy's Beauty Box. Aha! We are in the month of October, and this is October's box. So, if you want to see what's inside, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes. So, allow me to say hello to the newcomers again. My name is Stephanie. I am known as the host around here. All that really means is I'm the one who will hold up the products, tell you about them, read from the cards, and perhaps try them on every now and then. I do try-ons, tutorials, unboxings galore. I love to do giveaways. This is a beauty channel, if you haven't guessed. And I do all kinds of beauty, you know, for the mind, the body, the soul, from the inside, the outside, you name it. It's a place where I like to come and help people build their self-esteem. I generally do that through the lighter side of makeup. I don't believe that makeup should be oh so serious. And also, you know, we have enough to stress about in this world. Makeup should not be one of those things. Definitely not. Again, if you are just passing by or you just happen to click on the video, if you think that what I just mentioned is something you could get into, please, by all means, hit that button down below there and become part of the family. I do not like that S word. That is YouTube's word. I just don't like it. I don't know. Bothers me. But yeah, become part of the family because this is a family. I treat it as such. And, you know, I would love to have you. Also, please remember to rate the video thumbs up. It really does help me out. Lets me know if what I'm doing is okay. Should I change things up? You know, that kind of thing. And it is free. And also it does share me out into YouTube's algorithm so that, you know, we can grow the channel. Also, please remember to put your bell on to all because that way you're notified each and every time I upload videos because I do a lot of giveaways, guys. And I also announce the winners to those giveaways in just a random video. So you're going to want to know whenever a video goes up, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get in it. This is the Macy's Beauty Box for the month of October. And if you do not know about this box, it is one of the last $15 boxes around. It comes to $15.60 with tax. Shipping is free. Yeah, you get like a whole bunch of, I think I want to say like 6, depending if you get perfumes or not. I want to say anywhere from like 5 to 7 items. Sometimes you'll get deluxe sample size. Oh my gosh, why do I always have a problem with this box? Ow. Hold please. I don't want you to see me crying there because that was really hard. I digress. So yes, it's sample size, travel size, deluxe size. Every now and then you will get a full size and sometimes a bag. We have it here. It does open up and it does come in this little tamale type thing wrapped up. Okay, so it does have a little pamphlet telling you what is in the subscription itself each month. It does give you the full size. Now, this is the one thing that irks me about this subscription. It does give you the full size price, but it doesn't tell you how big the full size is. Is it 3 ounces? Is it 2 ounces? Is it 1 ounce? We don't know. So that kind of irks me. Total all products up that are in here by dividing and doing all the math. And the box will come to this much right here. And what is that? Oh, $64.63. There you go. See it right there? Okay. Now, the theme for this month is viral beauty. Okay, there you have it right there, like that. Okay, it also does come with a Macy's card. This one right here, this is for $5, right? You can use this on anything beauty at Macy's, and I always like to try and wait to see if I got a sale. Oh, I have a question, guys. Has anyone heard of the QVC advent calendar? Just saying. Comment down below. For this year, not last year. I don't know. I was eyeing one up and I wanted to know if you guys have heard of it. And if you do, what do you think about it? So let me know in the comment section. Okay, I digress. Sorry. Sometimes we get $10 cards. Sometimes we get $5 cards. And there is a code on there. You would put in your like purchase and you would get $5 off. Which is pretty cool if you catch a sale. That's usually when I use it. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's begin. I will need my glasses for this, so let's go. I'll set this to the side for reference. So So it does show you the things there too. There's a little picture of a flat lay, they call it. So again, wrapped up in a little hot tamale like this. It does feel like we have something in there. What is that? What is that? Sometimes you get a bag too. If there's a bag, usually, and it's big enough, you will have a bag, and this will be wrapped up inside the bag. Again, if the bag is big enough to hold it. So this time I do not think we have a bag. No. No, we do not. There's a lot of paper, guys. And when I say a lot for this little pile right here. It's very pretty, and I do recycle it. So let's just go down the line. So we have, I don't know the name. I think I just saw this in an advent calendar that Altoria over in England opened. Thrina, the 24-hour pen eyeliner. Yes, this I think is a London brand or like a UK brand. I could be very wrong on that. I'm just saying, because it was in one of the advent calendars she was opening. But this looks like it is a full size, okay? And that's pretty cool, just saying, okay. Oh, it's coming up on the end of the year, so all the boxes should be like really good to try and keep you to stay another year, you know? Yes, so there you have it. So it comes in that little packaging right there, see? Okay, so that looks nice. I may have to use that because my Kaylin is getting a little, I think, old. But okay, here we have this. And this is a full size. So it says, create wings so perfect you can practically take flight. That's kind of cute. $14.50. So this is, I believe this is a full size. Sure does look like it to me. Okay, cool. We have Perfumes MD. This is a little bitty guy. Growth Factor Firming and Lifting Serum. So here we have it. There's a little sample guy. It's 7.5 mils. And it just says, plump it up with the lifting, firming, and smoothing serum that everyone is talking about. So wow, sorry for being loud there. It says the full size is $129. Wow. This is not $120. The full size is. Again, we don't know how big the full size is because it doesn't tell us. Okay. So then we have Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Oh, I'm excited. I get to use a brow pen. What color? Oh, it's in taupe too, because I got blonde and then I got dark brown, and I can't use either one of them. But taupe is right up my alley. Let's open that little sucker up. When your brows are this bold, they do all the talking. The Ultra Slim Pencil, formulated with vitamin E and plant oils. Oh, it's a pencil? Okay, so you got a little spoolie on there. There's a little guy. Pretty nice spoolie though. And let's see, what's this? Oh, it's a twist-up one. Oh, I'm liking this. This is the kind I wanted to try. That I got, I think we got the felt tip marker one. This is the really one I wanted in the Ipsy X last month or the month before. Yes, sir. Okay, so I'm excited for that. Yay. I've always been wanting to try it because I believe she was made famous from her brow products, right? If I'm not mistaken. So the full size of this is 23. This is not a full size. All right, so let's flip her over. Go to the next side. Don't mind me, guys. I literally just fell asleep like this, probably for about 20 minutes, just to like get a power nap. Woke up, my hand was all numb. Okay, so this is the Cosrx Acne Pimple Master Patch. Ooh-wee. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in this one. Oh, here we go. It's one of them patches. I don't know. Comment down below. Have you ever tried these? Do they work? I heard sometimes they have ones you can put makeup on over. That sounds a little strange because I would think that you would see the makeup, but okay. I'm just saying. I know nothing. All right. So this is, let's see. It's not a magic trick, but it sure acts like one. This thin, lightweight, I can't see a thing. Hydrocolloid patch seals around the acne to protect it while absorbing all the bad bacteria. That's what's up. It says $5. So maybe this is a full size. How many does it come with? 24. So I would imagine that's a full size. So that's not bad. We've got this is a full size. That's a full size. Go ahead, Macy's. Like I just get done saying, we don't always get a full size, hardly, you know, once in a while. But there's 2 full size in here. Okay. Then we have Tarte Lights Cam Acne Legend. I've never tried that before. Okay, let's see this. This is a good way to try things. And yeah, pretty cool. I'm always down to try mascara. You know that. And it comes in this little cute little thing. Oh, look how pretty that is. This is Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Travel Size Mascara. It's a cult fave for a reason, working overtime to lengthen, curl, volumize, and condition your lashes into clump-free work of art. Rice bran and vitamins Keep them nourished and hydrated. Cool. 12 bucks. I think is the full size? No. I don't know. Maybe they're telling us this is $12. That's weird. Let me see. They don't normally do that. All right. Well, it says $12. Now, I don't know. Maybe because you can actually buy this version. Like, hold and I'll show you. Like, you can literally go to Ulta and buy a travel size of, like, Benefit They're Real. And I think it's like $14. And then the full size is, you know, in the 20s or whatever. So perhaps that's what they're talking about. Okay, so there we have that. Then we have this guy right here. This is, oh, Kiehl's. I like Kiehl's. This is a good bag, kind of, sort of. Okay, I'm kind of liking all the brands. It says Kiehl's. Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. Okay, well, let me tell you something. With retinol, straight retinol, you don't really need a lot. So, I mean, you could get quite a few uses out of this if you, like, targeted areas is what I would do. This is new. This is the new. It says, I'm sorry. I'm a little weird right now. It says Kiehl's new. Introduce skincare's favorite ingredient into your routine. Retinol increases your cellular turnover, which brightens, firms, and refines your skin. Okay, so without irritation. 60 bucks for the full size. And it says after cleansing in the morning or night, apply over the entire face, including the under eye and crow's feet areas. Now, sometimes I get a little, like that burns my eyes. My eyeballs, not under my eyes. Makes my eyes tear. I was always told not to use retinol out in the sun. But okay, I could be wrong. Yes, again, so that is the full size version would be 60, and I can't see. Oh, it looks like it's full, kind of, sort of. Yeah, it does. That could be air. Okay, so there you have that. Then we have this. Wait, oh, we have two. So let's do the perfumes. So this is Marc Jacobs, this is a little different because usually they have the same brand, man and woman, but no, not this time. This is Daisy, which I heard is very good. I'm spraying it right now. Because everybody's always raving about Marc Jacobs Daisy. So let's give her a go, shall we? Please don't smell like flowers. Please don't smell like flowers. Well, what's the undernotes of this? A classic fragrance that's charming and inviting with a signature quality. Soft florals are infused with succulent wild berries and white violets. I smell the definite florals, and I do smell the violets. Jasmine, too. I mean, it's not my favorite, but people rave about this, so I mean, I really use itty-bitty amounts, so you can see it's still in there. I'll pass that along to somebody, as I didn't, touch the end. Okay, so this is the boy version, but this is Calvin Klein. It says, meet an addictive blend of crisp bergamot combined with rugged vetiver and sensual notes of amber. Okay. Oh, the Daisy full size is $108, which is, they do tell you on the perfumes, that's the only thing they give you the full size. So 3.4 fluid ounces is $108. And this Calvin Klein, which I do like CK, like for the unisex one, I do like that one. And this one is for the same 3.4 ounces is $88. So there you have that. Now, the last thing in here, which it doesn't show me this. Why did I get this? Okay, this is very strange. Did I get an oops? There was no oops in here. Sometimes you will get a card that says, oops, we replaced your item with something, but don't worry, we know you'll love what we gave you. But I don't see it. There's no oops in here. Okay, so this is an extra. Like some of them are made out of quartz, I think. See, it's got like a seal. You can open it without tearing it. See, very nicely open. I just want to see. Made in China, so I guess it's not. But it's one of these things. But, I'll probably pass this along. Some of them can be quite expensive, just saying. I don't think this one would be, but it's not on the paper, guys, so I'm just, okay. All right, so there you have it. Let's recap very quickly. We have this oh-so-cool free product that's not on my paper. Thank you very much, Macy's. This lymphnodic thing or whatever. We do have the two fragrances, Daisy and CK. Lights, camera, lashes, sorry. We have the patches. We have the Anastasia Brow Wiz, a sample size, but I get to try it. We have the Kiehl's Retinol. We have the Perricone MD Firming Serum, which I'm liking that. And the full-size liner. I forgot that. This is a pretty good bag. Okay, comment down below. Do you agree or not agree? It's fine. We don't all have to agree. That's the wonderful part about having a family that gets along so well. We can agree to disagree. It's that simple. So tell me down below, did you like this? Do you think it's a good box this month? Because that's a lot of stuff. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you want to count these, 9. That's a lot. That's a lot of things. And they're good stuff. I get to try this. I've never tried this before. I'm looking forward to it. This is a full size. Oh my gosh. This is a full size. That liner looks banging. And, you know, you can get some pretty good, decent size. And this is a full size. So we got 3 full sizes this month. Okay, Macy. Way to bring it, Macy's. Way to bring it. Okay, just saying. Awesome sauceum. Let me know down in the comment section below, what do you think of the box? Did you think it was worth the $15? Would you be happy if you got this box? Did you get off the waiting list? Let me know to all my family members out there, because I know a lot of you guys are waiting. Did you get your box this month? Let me know, please. And what if you did, what was your favorite product and what were you most happy to get? Till I see you in the next one, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please remember, if you're going through something, talk about it. Try to share about it as much as possible. Take the power away from it. Also, if you're asked to listen, please do that. You can absolutely help someone. But what I always say is, in this crazy mixed up world, guys, please remember, to all my family members out there, all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.